Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of Finish It Friday, and I am super excited to show you what I've got. So I did kind of, in the first part I had mentioned that we were going to, I was going to work so much on a Afghan and then kind of go from there, whether we do bi-weekly or weekly. Let me show you what I've got here. So this is my little tote. Here is the progress I have on my Afghan. So it's very thin yarn. It is quite time consuming, but I really enjoyed working on this. I really enjoyed working on it. However, if you see all these tails just randomly throughout my work, see them hanging. So you change color every round. The problem is, and I want to show you the pattern, but I can't because it's a paid for pattern. The color sequence is a 13 row color sequence. And I would be so much farther in this. I bet I would be another, probably like that far into the Afghan, like that far from this row to my pointer finger, that much farther. But I went to start the first repeat of the color sequence, and it was two colors butted up next to each other. The same color butted up next to each other, and I'm like, that's not right. That's not right. And the way Hirschner, well, I shouldn't say Hirschner's, I should say the way this pattern is written is oh so confusing. So I rewrote it. I mean, I can show you this. I rewrote it and I messed up. And I didn't know until I was on the last row of the color sequence repeat. And I weaved in my ends as I was going. So I had to go back through everything and pick out all the ends that I weaved in and redo all of those rows. And I was like, you know what? Friday we're going to do another project because I need a break from this. So after I did that, after I got it all fixed, I sat down and I meticulously went line for line for line for line, which is a paragraph, not... Anyway, so that makes it a little confusing to read. Well, when it's a 13 color sequence repeat, and a 5 row pattern repeat, it got really easy to get confused. So I sat down and went line for line and wrote it out and make sure I had the color sequence right. Went back through, make sure I had the color sequence right again. Wrote out more, and I was like, okay, it's ready to go for the next time. I am ready to go on to another project because I worked very, very hard on this, got it caught back up to where it's ready. I want a break. Plus, I'm excited. And I'll tell you what, this Finish It Friday scratches an itch that I love. And that is, number one, it's getting my supplies together. Well, let me turn it this way. Getting my supplies together for my project. So I've got this little tote. I think my mother-in-law gave me this bag. But it has my highlighters in it, my pencil, my crochet hook, stitch markers, needle, scissors, all the stuff you need. And there's my little tote for the next time I start this project. I just pick it up and go from there. So we're going to take a break on this one and move on to the next. Like I said, I love the pattern. It's just, man, I really wish I would have paid closer attention to the color changes. And I feel like I need to explain that the reason it's so easily confusing is because the way the pattern is written, and it doesn't say, go to this color. Okay, fasten off, go to this color. Fasten off, go to this color. It doesn't say that. It says fasten off this color, attach this color, continue with this color, I'm sorry, it doesn't say color, it says letter. A, B, C, D, what is it? A, B, C, D, I think it was. And it says you know, it's easily confusing, especially like I said, 13 row color repeat, and to figure out the color of this row, you got to go back a row to figure out what it's. Let's move on, okay? So I'm going to get my box, and I'm so excited. And I was thinking, Velcro, I was thinking the other day, what did I do with, okay, it's in there. I was thinking the other day, I would be perfectly happy if the next project is another Afghan or an amigurumi or a doll dress. I'm so excited with everything. And I don't remember if I showed you guys this. My husband bought me this because he knows I love cats and I love little bags to put anything in. So I wanted to show you. That's what I'm putting my projects that I've done when I put them back in. So like this is Matt's Afghan. So after I draw this, I'll put it back in the projects container. Okay. Excuse me, I just ate lunch and I'm burping. Alright, so here's our projects. Okay. We are going to go with... Uh-oh, I got two. Oh, put that back. We're going to go with this one. Put that one back in there. Okay, this is so much fun. Oh, I saw a word. I saw a word. It is a doll body. Okay, so that means I go into the crochet doll bodies and then pick out one of these. So this is going to be a doll with a plastic head and a crocheted body. So there's that. And we are going to be working on... I folded these really good and small. Fat face. Oh! Yay! Right? Pattern is in the binder with a pink label. Okay. I know what this is. Okay. So I am going to pause my video. And I am going to go get the doll head that this pattern says I need to make. Okay? So I will be right back. Okay, so here is the little head. Isn't he adorable? I love him. He is supposed to come with hands. I have a bunch of heads in a tote, and either his hands are at the bottom, or I'm gonna have to. I think I have a Ziploc bag that's got some spare hands that I can grab and use. But this is the head I'm gonna be using, and. Where can I set this? So I went through my binders of my old crochet patterns, and this is the pattern I'm going to be making. Him right there. So his name is Smilin' Charlie. Oh, he has hair. Do they make the hair? Let's see. I can't believe he has hair, which isn't a big deal because my friend Cheryl from Vixen Yarn, oh crap, I can't remember it all of a sudden. Anywho, she gave me plenty of doll hair, so if I need to, I can add some doll hair. But it says materials, skein of off-white, royal blue, and white, one pair of white baby socks, a doll head, doll hands, one large pom-pom. Okay. Wait a minute. This may just be making the clothes. This may not be making the doll body. Pants, legs. Fold pants to find, yeah, sleeves. Oh, see page 15 for body instructions. Body for, oh, Smile and Charlie. Okay. Arms, legs, starting top of foot, shoes. Okay. Ankle. Okay, so yeah, it's his entire body is crocheted. Not sure what you would want the, well, I guess, let me go back. So if you look at him, it's interesting because in the picture it looks like his shoes are plastic, but there's a pattern for shoes. Oh, I see, I see, I see. This pattern is for 2 dolls, one of them being a Little Red Riding Hood, which I think is this one, and then the other one is for him. So I would probably just kind of make my own shoes. I'll make him work. I will make him work. And I'm probably going to leave him bald. I don't know. Here's a picture. I don't want to show the pattern. Here's a picture of him. But yeah, I've got some hands that I can use. Maybe I will add hair. I don't know. We'll see. I'll probably just finish him. Completely finish him. You know, make up my own shoes and put up some hands on him. Get his hat done. And then decide whether I want to add hair or not. Okay. Oh, there are some cute patterns in here. I'll just show you a real quick showcase. If you see me looking past you, it's because I'm looking in my mirror. Isn't it cute? That is a lamp. Like, could you imagine? Anywho, all right, so I will have, I want to say I will have this done by next Friday, but I can't say that because I don't want to, you know, I don't want to get your guys' hopes up and then I can't get it done. But I know how I am with amigurumi, and I don't stop till I'm done. So I may or I may not. I don't know. But I want you guys to comment down below. What are we going to name him? He needs to have a cute name. I was holding it there because I'm hoping YouTube will automatically just pick that as my thumbnail picture. Okay. All right, guys, I'm going to get off here. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss what's next. And me and this guy, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.